Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing adjustable lanyard kit for my DJI drone controller. This is most important. So first we need to put it here. Yeah. And other side. Yeah. Now we can connect both sides. Yeah, so this is how it works. Yes. And now I can hang it on my, and I'm gonna test it tomorrow. I'm gonna use it on my bicycle, so I think it's perfect. Yeah. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.